Hi everyone. I'm gonna be answering this question I saw in my comment section. Okay, and this question was posted by someone that is very dear to me. She said, "What of those that PayPal bound permanently? What do they need to open a new one?" Oh my God, that is a serious one. Now, if you've been bound by PayPal, that means you can't open an account with them, you can't create a new account with them, you can't do anything with PayPal. I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Because of your IP address. I keep hammering on IP address. Because of your IP address. You can try something. I don't know if it will work for you, but you can try it. Try to see if you can delete that account. Go to delete account or close an account if possible. If not, make sure number one, you don't have the app. If you do have the app, delete the app. Okay, then clean up your system of anything PayPal and make sure you have a new number, you have a new name, because some people have like 3 names, so you can use a new name. You can use a new address if you have, and also a new email, and then you try again. Make sure not with the IP address. Use a brand new phone number, a brand new laptop, everything brand new, and try again and see if PayPal will let you. If not, you can use your daughter. You can use your daughter or your son's name, but you will be the one to answer that name. But just that when PayPal needs clarification, you have to provide information for that. That is it. And make sure you don't go for the business one, because you need to provide more documents. Yeah, that's the only thing I can say. Then you try it. If it works for you, good luck. But make sure the documents you're using, you have a certificate for it. Make sure the documents you're using, you have an ID card for it. Okay, so that when PayPal begin to ask questions, you can submit them and show as proof. All right, that's all I can advise you. But anything more, I will just tell you, sorry, that is PayPal for you. And before PayPal bound your account, you must have done something. PayPal don't just bound people like that. So maybe if you tell me what you did, I will know how to advise you better. All right, Sama Opela, and this is UPL Teaching and Training Academy.